Unit 3. My favourite sport. Listening 3. Read and listen.
Tom and Emma are in the park.
This is my new football kit. Let's play football in the park, Emma.
No thanks. I don't like football.
Why not, Emma? I know you're a basketball fan, but you can like both of them. I think football is more exciting than basketball.
But I can't play football. It's too difficult for me.
No, it isn't. It's easy. There are goal posts at the end of the pitch. You just kick the ball and you try to score a goal.
It's not easy for me. Basketball is much easier than football. You throw the ball through the hoop. That's all. I'm good at throwing. I'm not very good at kicking.
OK, you can be the goalkeeper. The goalkeeper throws the ball.
OK then. Let's play football.
Tom and Emma go onto the pitch with their friends.
Throw the ball, Emma.
OK. Ready? Here it is. Ugh.
Wow! Emma, you're really good at throwing. Maybe that was a bit too far.
Oh no. Sorry.